welcome. Hey guys, hey my beautiful people. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you? I hope you're doing, all of you, I hope you're doing fine. And to everyone who have managed to watch this video, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by at my YouTube channel. Welcome. My name is Janet Boke, and if it's your very first time here, welcome and welcome. And kindly remember to subscribe to my channel. Umetoka shule?
Maraba.
Pita uende, nataka kupika lunch haraka, nimechelewa. So guys, imagine I'm so late. I was supposed to be making lunch right now, but I was held up. So come with me as I make lunch for the beautiful lady. She just came from school. We hurry up so that she can go back to school. So enjoy the video. Let's go bring firewood first, then we come cook. So guys, this is enough for starting firewood. We already have some other firewood in the house. So let's go cook faster so that you can get time to go back.
What?
Easy. Easy, pause. So guys, we already put the water for ugali to cook. So as the water is continuing to heat to heat ama sima ni heat sima sis. As the water is heating, let's go get some onions from the shamba so that you can use it to prepare veggies. So come with me.
Twende. So guys, we take one and leave one to continue growing. Let's look for another one. have our onions.
Good. Mhm.
So guys, this is our traditional porridge. It's meant of millet, millet flour, maize flour, the fermented one. Yeah, so and cassava too. It's all meant of that. So how you do it, I'll show you. I'll do a video showing you how we do it, but just in a layman language. Whatever we do here is we ferment the millet, and it becomes like it's growing. Then we dry it. We then kusaga in it, I don't. There's a way we do it. I don't know. I don't know the word to use, but it becomes flour. When it becomes flour. You let the water boil. You put the water on the fire and it boils. After it has boiled, you just pour the flour inside and you stir for some 3 to 4 minutes. Then you pour it in the pot. So that's how we just do it. Here it's called bosara. In an English way, we translate it as traditional porridge. Yeah. So as I'm waiting to cook, there's a lot of smoke inside. I'm just drinking bosara here. So cheers to you.